ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology is the ultimate solution that can intelligently increase CPU performance up to 40% more with improved stability while allowing all-day-long battery life and a quieter and cooler laptop. It uses ASUS exclusive algorithms combined with between 5 and 9 smart sensors, an aerodynamic ice blade fan design, and a 65-watt power supply. With ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology, your laptop could run in high-performance status as long as you need. ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology includes 3 modes. By performance mode, the laptop easily maximizes the performance in thermal parameters for heavy workloads. With balance mode, the laptop intelligently optimizes performance, thermal, and power parameter for everyday tasks. Via whisper mode, you can easily get a cool and quiet power-saving operation. You can easily switch between the modes by pressing the function plus F hotkey combination. You can also switch via the My ASUS software by choosing hardware settings, then ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology modes. Using ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology in performance mode, an ASUS laptop with an 11th Gen Intel processor can enjoy a performance boost of up to 40% compared to ordinary performance. Even in the default balance mode, performance can be up to 30% better. With ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology, your laptop will not consume more power. By the actual test results of X264 and X265 benchmark on VivoBook S, it consumes almost the same power. All ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology laptops provide a new ice blade fan that efficiently accelerates heat transfer. The 87-blade ice blades fan and impeller are made of a liquid crystal polymer that allows them to be lighter and thinner than ordinary fans. Each ice blade's fan blade has a 3D curved aerodynamic design, allowing the fan to achieve better flow rate and lower noise. By the ultimate upgraded cooling design, you can finish heavy workloads with an even quieter and cooler laptop.